In this video, I will show you how to find iron in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and find iron, what you need to do is come across to the frost sands areas on your world. Now this is where it can actually be located. What you need to do once you're in the frost sands is go ahead and look for a cave. So you can see there's a cave just over here. And before you go and enter the cave, you're going to need the epic pickaxe. So if you upgrade your crafting bench, it's actually the purple coloured pickaxe. And once you've gone ahead and got that, what you can do is go and enter into the cave. So here we are inside the cave. Now to go ahead and find iron is normally grown out of the walls, and it's quite easy to find because it kind of glows like an orangey colour. So what you want to do is just explore the cave. You can see there's a lot of iron in here, and once you found some, just go ahead and equip your pickaxe. Now what you can do is just start chipping away at the rocks, and what you'll see what's going to happen as long as you've got the epic pickaxe, it's going to start damaging the rock until the point where iron is going to fall out of it. So as you can see, it's dropped a lot of iron here, so all you can do is just run and pick this up just like so. So that's how to go ahead and find iron in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.